Hey everyone, welcome back to Megaverse Builds. Today, we're diving deep into the latest progress at Spotify Camp Nou. The work at higher levels, seating, facade, and interior installations is moving fast, and you're going to see it all, section by section. Before we move on, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you don't miss any of our daily construction updates. Progress at the North Goal continues at a steady and well-coordinated pace. The upper tiers are becoming increasingly defined as prefabricated seating elements are installed across the third level. Newly poured concrete sits alongside exposed reinforcement, highlighting how multiple construction phases are advancing simultaneously. From this section, the curvature of the stadium bowl is now clearly visible. Tribuna remains one of the most active and visually dynamic parts of the project. Interior walls around concourses, access corridors, and stair cores are rising quickly, giving this area a much more defined internal layout. Seating installation in the upper tiers continues, while technical levels are being reinforced to support future hospitality and VIP functions. A major highlight here is the ongoing installation of glass in the VIP ring. Glass panels are being fitted into their frames, marking a clear transition from raw structural work to architectural finishing, and signaling that Tribuna is moving closer to its final, usable form. If you are enjoying these updates, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you never miss any of our daily updates. The South Goal appears calmer compared to the North and Tribuna, but consistent progress is still clearly visible. Third-tier seating installation continues gradually, particularly in the areas connecting with the lateral stand. Crews are focused on inspections and fine adjustments around major load-bearing beams and structural joints. The steady rhythm of work suggests that the primary structural tasks are nearing completion, preparing this sector for enclosure and finishing works. Along the lateral side, construction remains the most visually advanced. Work at higher levels continues to define the stadium's future profile, with structural preparation progressing alongside facade installation. Ceramic louvers are being installed methodically across multiple levels, transforming the exterior appearance day by day. Behind them, finished wall surfaces and prepared structural zones show readiness for additional architectural elements. This area also serves as a major logistics corridor, with materials constantly being delivered, stored, and redistributed, reflecting the highly coordinated stage the project has now reached. And that wraps up today's detailed update at Spotify Camp Nou. If you enjoyed seeing the latest progress, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to keep following Megaverse Builds. We'll be back with even more updates soon, exploring every corner of the stadium as it moves closer to completion. Thanks for watching and staying part of this amazing journey with us.